Let's say we have this list of weekdays. Values of this list must not change, but in list, it's possible to change them. So there are chances of doing this mistake. So to avoid this insecurity, what we will do is replace the square brackets with round ones. And this way, our list becomes a tuple. So tuple is basically a list, but its data is not changeable. So it's just a list of constants, which is required sometimes. Now we can use this tuple the same way we use lists.
Tuple is a list, but once defined, its values cannot be changed. For example, if I try to change Sun to Sunday, the editor shows a yellow warning which says tuples don't support item assignment. And if I try to print weekdays, the terminal throws the error, which is again tuple object does not support item assignment. So we cannot change tuple values. We can only change them here at initialization. However, we can access tuple values exactly like a list. For example, to access the first item, we can use index 0 that will give sad. To access the last item, we can use negative index and that will give us fry. And to access a group of items, we can give the range that says 0 colon 3. This will give the first 3 items. And here we got them. We can use the len function to find the number of items in the tuple. That will give us 7. Alright, what about tuple methods? Do we have all list methods available for the tuple as well? Of course not, because tuples don't support editing. So we only got a few read-only methods. We have a count method. Using that we can see number of occurrences of an item. That should give us 1. Okay, that's right. And using index method, we can see the position of an item. That should give us 0. Right. And just like a list, we can use in operator to find existence of an item in the tuple. That should give us true because set is present in this tuple. Next, not in operator should give us false because set is not absent, it is present. Here we got false, which means set is not absent in weekdays tuple. Now to summarize, we can only read the values of tuple and cannot modify it.